Hello, it's Sylvia and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, it's really lovely to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So if you clicked on this video, it's because you're wondering if this product, that's the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cleansing Foam, is right for your skin type. And you're also wondering the benefits you derive from the use of this product. And I'm going to answer those questions in this video. Everything I'm going to be saying in this video is peculiar to my use of this product. I believe that at the end of this video, you're going to pick up a thing or two. So starting off, before I chose this product, I actually put three things into consideration. That is, one, my skin type, what I wanted to achieve with this product, and my skin color. For my skin type, I happen to have a combination skin where my skin produces more oil in my T and my C zones, and those are the areas of my face where I'm actually prone to acne. I only break out in those areas. So if you want to know your skin type, you can use the watch and wait method from the comfort of your home, where you just use a gentle cleanser to wait for about 30 to 60 minutes. Yes, for about 30 to 60 minutes, and then you watch the changes on your face. So if your face appears more oily, like your skin is more oily, then you probably have an oily skin. If your face is visibly drier, then you most likely have a dry skin. If some areas of your face are more oily than the others, then you probably have a combination skin. But if your face does not feel oily, dry, flaky, then you probably have a normal skin. And you could also have a sensitive skin. You could have a sensitive dry skin, sensitive oily skin, and that's just how to check your skin type for the comfort of your home. And this is going to help you when you want to purchase skincare products, so that you don't have to go and pick skincare products that are not for your skin type. So it's actually clearly written here that it's for normal to combination skin. So I actually picked it because it's good for my skin type, and it's clearly written here. So the next thing that I told you that I took into consideration was what I wanted to achieve. And because I didn't want any product that was going to lighten my skin, I just wanted something that was going to help me achieve that radiant, even glow from within. So this product actually contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, which helps to reduce the severity of sun damage, and that was why I decided to go for this product. Then lastly, my skin color is actually, this product is actually good for all skin colors: fair, dark, caramel, chocolate. It goes for all skin colors. So that was actually why I picked this product. It has a creamy texture, and if you're someone that, like I already said in my previous video, you transitioned from using bar soap or something that dries out your skin to using this product, it's actually going to feel weird because it's a creamy cleanser and it doesn't rip. I love it because it doesn't rip the moisture off of my skin. I finish using it on my face and my face still feels pampered, and that's actually one of the reasons I really love this product. So it actually just helps to balance out my skin. It doesn't help to damage my skin barrier. When I started using this product initially, honestly I was actually scared because, like I said, I transitioned from using bar soap. Prior to my use of this product, I used the Dudu Oshun bar soap as my face cleanser. When I started using this product, I was actually always scared that probably I wasn't cleansing properly. But this cleanser surprisingly does the job well. It cleanses very well. You don't have to bother that it's not cleansing well. It does the job of cleansing very well. And like I said, it has a creamy feel, it has a creamy texture, and that's just how it is. So it just has a creamy feel and it has a creamy texture. You just have to know that. And I also love this smell of this product. I love it. It just has this mild smell that's, I don't know, I just actually love the smell of this product. Okay, so how to use this product? The good thing about this product is that you don't need so much to cleanse your face. You just, if you want to actually cleanse your face as like your daily cleanser, because you don't even need so much, you just need a pea-sized amount. Make it lather, and then make sure that your face is already damp. Use cold water, and then you apply it on your face, and wash it off with cold water or warm water, like room temperature water, not hot water. It's advisable to use room temperature water or cold, like something mild on your face. So that's actually how to use it. This product is actually amazing because it has so many benefits, and then you can price it. I think I got it for about 3,000 to 3,500. I know that it won't be, I don't think it's up to 4,000 naira in the market. I really hope it's not, but it's actually really affordable for the benefits it provides. And like I said, this product does not rip your skin of moisture. It leaves your skin feeling moisturized, feeling pampered, feeling taken care of, feeling soft. So if you have a combination skin like I do, you don't have any fear that this skin is going to damage your skin barrier, like dry out your skin and probably cause acne in those areas of your face that are always more prone to acne. So this is actually one of the pictures I took when I started using this product. So you can actually see how good this product was on my skin. It didn't break me out, I didn't have any breakouts. It actually helped to even out my skin, and helped me achieve that radiant, even glow on my skin. So there are three ingredients in this product that I want to talk about. The first is glycerin, and glycerin is a moisturizing agent that helps to keep the skin hydrated. The second one is lactic acid, which has exfoliating properties, and this will help to remove those dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, leaving your skin bright and radiant. So, and is the last ingredient is actually fragrance. It actually has fragrance in it, so especially if you have a sensitive skin, you might want to put that into consideration and actually do a patch test before you use this product. So since it's a face cleanser, you just take a little bit of it and apply it just above your, on the area of your skin just above your mandible, and then you wait for about, you wash it off after like 60 seconds. Don't leave it for so long. Wash it off after 60 seconds, then you wait for about 24 to 48 hours and see if there are any irritations, if there is redness, if there is swelling, if there's just any reaction. Then this product is not going to be good for you, especially if you have a sensitive skin. You really have to put that into consideration. But apart from that, on my skin, it has really done wonders on my skin. It has really helped to even out my skin tone. It has really helped me to achieve that radiant bright look that I actually wanted. So I can say I really love this product. This product has been really good on my skin. So the best part is that this product gives you so many benefits at an affordable price. It doesn't rip your skin of moisture. I already mentioned it leaves my skin pampered, it leaves my skin moisturized, it doesn't just dry out my skin, and it also helped to even out my skin tone. I really love this product, and I didn't have any irritation, any reaction while using this product. Immediately I started using it, I had no irritation, I had no reaction to this product. This product was just good on my skin. So that's basically my experience with the use of this product, the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cleansing Foam. I really love this product. If you've come to this point of this video, and if you love this video, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and please leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'm going to be reading and replying all your comments. And if you have any questions or anything you want to let me know, please do so in the comment section. I would be delighted, and I'm going to read all your comments. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.